Morning student, welcome to online classes. Student, today we are going to turn on class 9 subject maths exercise 3.1. First of all, today we will get about the coordinate geometry. So firstly today we will read, so let's see about coordinate axis. Okay, स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम लोग कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। यहाँ पर अगर हमें कोई भी पॉइंट की लोकेशन पता करना है तो कैसे पता करते हैं, तो देखिए यहाँ पर हम एक पॉइंट लेते हैं और इस पॉइंट से दो एक्सिस खींच लेते हैं। ये होता है आपका एक्स एक्सिस और ये होता है आपका वाई एक्सिस। ओके, this is x dash, y and y dash। और जिस पॉइंट पर ये कट करता है इसको बोलते हैं हम लोग ओरिजिन। यहाँ पे जो पॉइंट्स रहते हैं वो पॉइंट आपका क्या कहलाता है, ओरिजिन पॉइंट कहलाता है। The horizontal x and x dash is called x axis. X and x dash is called क्या, x axis. And the vertical y dash and y is called y axis. The point where x dash x and y dash y cross is called origin. Okay, and is denoted by O. Since the positive number lie on the direction OX, this is positive numbers. Okay, +1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And x axis and y axis similarly O x dash and O y dash are negative direction. O x dash and O y dash are negative direction. This is -1, -2, -3, -4. This is positive 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is -1, -2, -3. Okay. You observe the axis divide into plane into 4 parts. This is 4 parts: first, second, third and fourth. These 4 parts are called quadrants. These 4 parts are called quadrants. 1/4 part number first, second, third, fourth, anti-clockwise from OX. So the plane consists of the axis, these quadrants. We call the plane the Cartesian plane or XY plane. Okay, these axis is called the coordinate axis. And first quadrant has sign plus plus, minus plus, minus minus and plus minus. Okay, आप इसे याद कैसे कर रख सकते हैं, तो देखिए this is positive axis. Okay, and this is also positive. Plus plus, it is here plus plus. Okay, this is negative and this is positive. तो सबसे पहले आप जब लिखते हैं तो क्या लिखते हैं, x and y. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल x axis and then y axis. Then x axis is minus and y axis is plus. Here is minus plus. Okay, then third quadrant x axis is minus and y is also minus, then यहाँ minus minus. And fourth quadrant, x axis is plus and y axis is minus, then plus minus. Okay. For example, if a number 2 and 3, okay, then put on this axis, this is x and this is y. So put 2 is here and 3 y axis here and meet them, then what will be 2, 3. Okay. तो इस तरह से आपको इस जो भी पॉइंट दिया होगा आपको यहाँ पे इसको लोकेट करने के लिए ऐसे ही करना पड़ेगा. इफ अनदर एग्जांपल, -2, -5, -3. okay, x axis is -2 here and y axis is -3 here, and this point is here. Okay, clear? How can measure the coordinate axis? And point will also, and what is quadrant and what is axis and origin point. If x and y, x is called as abscissa and y is called as ordinate. Okay, y is coordinate. For example, if the ordinate point of the D, if this is a point D and we can say coordinate point on D, then y ordinates there is 3, okay, and abscissa is 2. Now the first question of exercise 3.1. First question 3.1. How will you describe the position of the table lamp on your study table to another person? Okay. यहाँ पर आपको क्या कह रहा है कि कैसे आप टेबल लैम्प है उसकी पोजीशन को डिस्क्राइब करेंगे. तो देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर आपका फर्स्ट. Let us consider a table lamp. Okay. This is 15 centimeter and this is 25. Okay. The table is a rectangular shape. The table is a rectangular shape. Okay. When observed from the top, the table has short edge and long edge. This is a short edge and this is a long edge. Let us measure the distance of the lamp from the shorter edge and the longer edge. Let us assume the distance of the lamp from the shorter edge is, let us assume that the distance of the lamp from the shorter edge is shorter edge is 15 centimeter and longer edge is 25 centimeter. Therefore, position of the lamp on the table can be described in two ways depending on the order of the axis. Okay. Therefore, axis as, if there is x-axis and there is y-axis, then 15, 25, or if there is x-axis and it is y-axis, then 25, 15. Okay. Two waves depending on its order, depending on the order of the axis. Okay. स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में देखेंगे. सो टुडे क्लास 9, दैट्स वाई दिस एंड्स. टुमारो विल मीट अगेन and question number 2. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.